Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Mustaza from class 8C. My speech topic is media misleads the masses. Honk, honk. The dogs do bark and the beggars are coming to the town. Some in Watson, some in Jackson, some in Walgreens. Down. Have they come again? Have they come again out of their hole? Oh, the king is trying to hide the truth surface that he mystical that is my Lord and man. With all of their things, but come on, Christopher, to support it, that media misleads the masses. Mr. President, media misleads the masses. Media. What is media? Media is a medium display deceit the masses. Media is a campaign of glamour and favor. Media is a kind of fashion and showbiz. Media is a kind of ugliness and nakedness. Media means shamelessness, restlessness, and restlessness. Media means immodesty, maturity. Media means all the food. Then permit me to say, media misleads the masses. Mr. President, I can still realize that the release of movies against Saddam Hussein, this era misleads the masses. So, I can still hear the news on the channel of Libya declaring that Kenar Gaza is a pillar of mislead the masses. And why is that idea? I can still read articles published by so-called international media type. All Muslims are not terrorists, but all terrorists all Muslims are. So, I maintain to say media mislead the masses. Media mislead the masses. Mr. President, it do not mean that I am even brother of Sarfraz Shah. I want to show you that all media mislead the masses. So, why media mislead the trust of a student, which can say, my name is Sheila and Kappukan Tanzila, but which cannot say, Rabbi Ajiti Ilma. Why media misleads the heads of people, which can use Facebook, but cannot take Hollywood? Why media misleads the feet of people, which can go down, disco dance, but cannot move to the mosque? Why? I tell you, they were misleads in media. So, Mr. President, media misleads the masses. Media misleads the masses. Thank you.